Hey guys, hopefully you guys are all having a great day. I'm playing a game that hasn't been highly requested, Flood Escape 2. Hasn't been really a high suggested game, but I decided we're gonna play it today. So, let's see what happens, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Hit the like button. 2 or more likes and we'll do more Flood Escape, okay? So I'll catch you guys when we get into the match, and I'll see you then. Okay guys, the match is literally starting like right now. So let's go. Okay, jump. I've never played this game before. Oh wait, he got it, okay. Man, this game looks so nice though. You're gonna get it? Okay. Whoa, I almost died. There. Phew. This is actually hard. This is really hard. You guys get it? Okay. We gotta go. Oh, it's flooding fast. Okay, we gotta go fast. Go, guys. Oh no, this is gonna ruin me. Oh no. Okay, I did it. I'm in. Okay, I'm safe. Whew. That was hard. I'm scared that this is just gonna we're gonna be looking over here. Wait, I can't move. Oh, ready. Okay, go. I wanna get it this time. Okay, go. Oh gosh, go, up. This is actually really hard. Okay. Oh no, someone did it. No, guys, I'm gonna drown. Wait, how are we supposed to get up there? I'm so confused, I don't wanna die. I'm climbing up here. I don't know where I'm going. I don't want to drown. Go. Oh, this is actually really hard. Oh, it's turning green. Oh, gosh. Yeah. No. Ah, that was hard. I don't know. Oh. Whew. Okay, this game is actually pretty hard. Oh gosh. Whew. Okay, I'll try to get into a new server to try to get there. So I'll see you then, guys. Okay guys, so I just got into a match right now. Oh, the camera was doing something weird. Wait, where are we supposed to go? Oh, over here. Okay. I don't want to die. I do not want to die here. Okay, I'm actually happy that I'm not the only one dying over here. Get it. Oh my gosh, okay. I have to get this. No. What? It didn't let me jump. Let me up. Okay, wait, I need to get up fast. Audacity, no. I do not want to die. Okay, quick. I need to get there. Go. How did I fall there? Okay, did I make it? Oh, I made it. Go. Okay, go. Wait, what? Where do I have to go? Oh, over here. Okay, I survived. I do not know how I did that. What? I'm dying. What just happened? Oh, okay, I guess we got into a new match. I do not know what happened there. I'm just gonna let them do it. Open it. Boom. Okay, we need to get up here. I'm gonna get this button. Boom! Wait, I got it. Oh, 3 people have to touch it. But these ones. Let me up. Let me up. It won't let me up. Okay, now it will. Okay, thanks, you guys. I have to make sure that I actually push the jump button. You guys get it? They got it. Okay, go, 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 go. I want to complete one in this video. At least one, because I'm not doing so good at this game. Okay, this is where everything comes in handy. Oh, I don't know how I did that. Wait, do we have to go back? I survived. Why were they going backwards? Come on, guys. Let's go. Difficulty remained. Oh, 3 survived? How did only 3? Okay. 7 buttons. Go, 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 go. Okay, get it, get it, get it. Up, 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 up. Get up, get up, get up. These guys know what they're doing. Oh, no, 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 no. Let me up, let me up. Quickly. How do I get up? I have to jump over here? Oh, yo, bro, this is complicated. Let me up. Oh, that was so close. We have to go over here. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Okay, jump, up, get up. Max, get up. Do I have to come into this? Wait, what? Wait, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. No, 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 no. Really? Oh, that was so hard. How are you supposed to do that? Like, I was confused. Okay, guys, I'll try to get into another match. Okay, see you then. Okay, guys, so I got into a new server. Hopefully I can win this time. Hopefully I can win. Oh no, it's this map. I've had trouble with this map. Boom. I don't think I got that. Is there like on Roblox like a control to make this, the jump button, bigger? I know this. Let me up, let me up. Okay. Oh, it's this part. I remember this part. Huh. Huh. Okay, this was really annoying. Let me up, let me up. Okay. Oh, it's flooding now. It's flooding fast. Okay, okay, okay. Come on, guys. You make this jump. Okay, I made the jump. Let me up. Okay. 1, 2. Where do we go now? Do I have to jump over here? Let me up, let me up. Let me up. Let me on here. Why wouldn't it let me on? Ah, it didn't let me on. Can I get back in? Dude, that was nuts, dude. Let's go again. Let's go again. Let's go. Or Dental Grove, I think that's what it's called. Let's go. Here, so. Let's go. Okay, you got that? Wait. Can you guys get that? Boom. Boom. I'm actually doing not half bad this round. No, 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 no. Bro, the acid's actually coming in pretty quick. Okay, 3 people have to touch that one. Touch it, yeah, good. Oh, this fell down. Okay. Whoa, okay, it disappeared. Wait, let me up, let me up. Oh no, wait, I'm stuck, I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Oh, it's getting red. Yes, let's go, I leveled up. Let's go. Look at this little man. Wait. Oh, that was a little weird. Okay, go. Wait. Oh, these are really hard. Okay, wait, we need this. No, wait, what? It got me out. Let me up. Let me up. Oh. It didn't clip on. It didn't clip on. Oh gosh, I got stuck. Okay, we'll join the next round. Bye? No, I'm not going bye-bye. Boy, that was hard. What do you want? Hi. There's only 2 people left. Oh, it's on hard, so that's probably why. 1 person left. Overflow with you'll join the next round. Okay, there. Let's go, guys. Boom. Everybody died. Forgotten Tomes. I've never played this one before. That one must be the hardest one. That was normal? I died straight away. That's pretty confusing. Bro, what do you want? What does it do? Hi, I'm Ghostly X. Sorry. Do you know any secrets for this place? I'm sure that there's something behind one of these walls which leads you somewhere. I don't think I found it yet. I'm sure. Wait, there's a secret place with a wall? Okay, now I'm checking all the walls. Oh. So there's like a secret wall? Oh, they have these here. Where is it? I have to search it up online now. But where is it? Can you tell me? Is it these? 7 out of 7, really? Okay, guys, I'll cut back when I get in to the match. Okay, guys, so what happened in that video, it basically what happened to the bear video. The camera stopped working, so I'm going to see if I can get a new camera for my phone to record on there. And that's really where it would end it. I was trying to play some Piggy to own up to do, because Flowscape was glitching a lot. So that's basically the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Bye!